Hey everyone, Joe at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I got a package delivered that I've been waiting for a while, and let's see, there's several things wrong going on here. One, with delivery, not with I don't know what's anything wrong with the package inside the package, but so when they delivered it, they took a photo. You know, it was an Amazon driver, not UPS, and they took a photo of it up next to the door. And however, after they took the photo, they moved it down onto the walkway, about 6 feet farther away. Idiots. Also, I noticed after I got it in here, just setting everything up here, that wait a minute, the package was tore open here, and it was, you know, and of course it's snowing out there. So fortunately, though, it didn't. The box did not feel wet, so that's one thing that seems to be good. So you go ahead and finish opening this. Does this have one? I don't know. This was some of them, they'll have a little zip tie thing on it. You can do it so you open it. Oh, wait a minute. Here's another tear here, and another one here, and another one here. Jeez. They really abused this package. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's see what this looks like in here. All right, the package is all wet on the one side, so water was getting in there, and the box is got a little smash thing on, like they dropped it on something here. And down this corner of the box, the bottom two corners of the box is, you know, crushed a little bit. Well, let's see what it's like here. Let's get a towel up here and dry the box off. The counter for all the water was coming off the bag. Let's open this thing up here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's not fully assembled. Got a hand crank on it. Got instructions. Got a little cheese slicer. One of the ones that you drag across the cheese, slice the cheese off. So it came with that. Something I wasn't expecting to get. Has a little cleaning brush on here. That'll be nice not to chop the sponge clean in this. And this thing was bounced around so much in there that the package, the wrapper around the unit got snagged on the suction handle. This is the unit. This is the suction handle here. So it got caught on this somehow and tore this plastic. It's got a little. Man, this is a small. Jeez. Ain't very big of a thing to put stuff in. Comes with 3 different sized graters here, slicers and stuff. Interesting. Anyways, yeah, this is rather small, but I should be able to chop it up enough and just run stuff through here in here to make what I want to make on it. It says rotary cheese grater shredder, but it's not the cheese I'm going to be running through here. It's going to be cabbage. And I have at home in California a big one that was my mom's. Has 4 legs on it. These parts are about 50% bigger, and the hopper on the top is about that tall. I mean, you can really put stuff in it and go through there. I mean, this is, if you're going to be running cheese through this, you got to take that block of cheese and you got to cut it up so it'll fit down in there to begin with. All right, so everything gets washed before you use it, but yeah, so you got, so there's that size. There's just slices. And here's the larger grater size. And this is what I'll be using for the cabbage to shred it up. It comes with an instruction manual that is, yeah, front page, inside, back page. So, yeah, this suction thing, let's see what happens with it. And I set it on here, and it, oh wow, it does, it grips pretty good. It hangs on tight. Amazing, something good about it. But this was the cheapest one they had on Amazon, and this is what I got. So now that I got this, I can make take the cabbage, grind it up, and put it into the sauerkraut I got about a week and a half ago. All right, so look forward to the making of sauerkraut in the sauerkraut here shortly. See you around.